Yeah, what's up, y'all? I'm back with another video. Quick merch update to everybody that's ordered the merch. I'm probably gonna go get it to be get finished being made tomorrow, like get all the orders made that have been ordered so far, and try and have them shipped out by Monday next week if they're made by then. They'll probably be shipped out Tuesday or Wednesday next week if you ordered. So yeah. Nothing's wrong with the 420. I was just gonna ride this because I ain't made a video on it in a minute, I don't think. Oh, there's my grandma's dog. I really don't want to have to get off and roll it back and forth just to get it to shift down. That's what I might do. There you go. The Honda Recon pushing all 23 horsepower to the fullest. I don't know if it's actually 23, I was just guessing. No deep is right here. Mine ain't deep no more than I just dried out. But it'll still probably deep enough to bottom out. Never mind, it might be a little bit deeper. Look at the cracks in the mud. I know the bottom's gonna be soft. I know the bottom right there is soft. There's no way it's not. We're about to back up and go over to that side in a minute. There's a spider in the water. That's always nice. I think the first mistake was getting high centered, to be honest. Let's look at it. Probably shouldn't have leaned it to this side. I want to go through that. I just know that's thick. We're definitely coming through this in the night ride tomorrow because I'm gonna be home late tomorrow night. We're definitely coming through it on the 420 because right here is just thick mud clay peanut butter. It ain't thick, but it's soft, so I know when theirs are gonna be bad. This right here is enough to cover the tires up. Alright. I think I'm gonna back it up like this now. Dang it, I just slipped back in the mud. Yep. Oh, gosh dang it. Yeah, it's definitely got mud on the bottom right here too. I really don't want to have to pull this out, to be honest with y'all. Maybe we can get lucky and push it out. Honestly, might be able to. I'm sorry I'm making y'all watch this struggle. Alright. Hell, I'm burrowing in my pants. Alright, I'm about to see just if I can pick it up over here and not fall in the water this time. If I had somebody else to hit the gas, yeah, stick over here, I knew it. And that's just on the edge. I'm gonna put it in neutral and just pull it backwards. I'm gonna see if it'll back up now. I highly doubt it. Alright, y'all, when I get this out, I'll let y'all know. Alright, y'all, I didn't want to have to do this, but this is no longer a recon video. The 420 is coming out. We're pulling it out, then we're taking the 420 through that mud hole because I wanted to. That was something I've been wanting to do. Now that the mud's dried and the water's done dried out and it's got thick, we got to do it for the culture. Load up. I don't even know what I'm saying at this point. Load up. Come on. Come on. Load up. Come on. Load up. Hey. Deuce, load up. Oh, that was a waste of time making him load up. loosen it now. I don't put it too tight on my head. It would slip off. Alright. That ought to be perfect. Alright, that is. Let's go pull the baby Recon out. I'm just gonna pull up as close as I can to it. I reckon this is good. Ow. I tried to wiggle it around, pick it up, doing that. It still wouldn't come out. It was too bottomed out. I could only pick up the back, and the front would come up, but not how I needed it to pick it up. To move it out, like I couldn't get the front ones out of the road, or I could get the back ones, but not far enough. Neither of them would go farther enough, and it would just slip back in. If I had somebody else here, I could easily push the back on out of the road in the front and do it. Just making sure it's as far as it'll come out. Alright, I'm about to just pull up, freak it. It would help if I got on it, but I'm gonna hop on it because I don't want to misjudge how much throttle I need to give it. And I don't want to fall in these ruts, to be honest with you. Alright. I about did what I was trying not to do earlier again. Well, it don't matter, I already fell in, but oh well. Ugh. The bottom on this side is not as bad because there's less water. But the other side, it looked pretty bad. Alright, I'm gonna pull this back. I'm gonna pull this thing out real quick. This is probably why I shouldn't have came so far forward, but it'll be alright. I would like to keep the steering wheel as straight as possible so we don't bend an A-arm or something. It's done bottomed out again. How close am I to it? I hope I didn't get myself stuck. I need to let this winch loose. Alright, there. That ought to snatch it out. I'm trying to make this, if you can't tell, I'm being lazy. I'm just trying to make this as easy as possible. I can probably get it out from here on my own. Yep. Oh. That's not good. No scratch though, because Honda built tough like that. No chip in the paint or nothing. No dent. Honda tough, son. We're taking Ford's motto. Honda taking over. We're going global. Honda gang. Alright, I'm about to just drag this thing out. Oh, I didn't shut this off, but it'll be alright. Look at the tires. Alright. I'll move this thing out of the way and then hit it on the Honda. Ow. That cut me. I said that like they're both Hondas. Hit it on the Rancher. The real Honda, if you know what I'm saying. And no, I'm just kidding. Recons are accepted. And no, y'all, before y'all start roasting me about the Outer Banks stickers, I've said this a million times. It's my little sister's Recon. That explains all these random girly stickers. So don't even try and roast me. I just tried it because it's fun to mess around on sometimes. My finger's bleeding a little, but it'll be alright. Alright, we're just gonna leave this thing waiting here. I'll walk back down here when the video's over or get a ride down here. But now, we're gonna go see what a real four-wheeler can do in this mud. Like I said again, all jokes. To all y'all out there with Recons, y'all are just as important. I saw a Recon on 28. I've seen a couple on 28-inch BKTs. They're actually kind of fire. I can't hate on them. There are some pretty good mud built Recons out there. I honestly kind of want to get one to do it. I feel like it'd be just something cool to have. Chat Deuce, I'm gonna show him how to hit thick mud. Alright, we absolutely walked it. Axle didn't even scrub nothing. Let's head to the house. Ow! I got hit in the face like 6 times right there. It wouldn't be a video on the Rancher, which some of y'all can probably predict what's about to happen. It wouldn't be a video on the Rancher if we didn't do one donut. Chapters. On when I'm riding and I do like donuts in the road, I just sing in my head like crazy. I'll be having a whole concert up in there. Well, y'all, peace out, and I hope y'all enjoyed. If you did, leave a like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. It means a lot. Peace.